exposing the exact cryptos that made me 10x plus life-changing returns and how to spot the next one. Have you ever dreamed of making life-changing returns with cryptocurrency? Imagine turning a modest investment into a small fortune. Sounds impossible. Well, it's not. Today, I am going to reveal the exact cryptos that made me over 10x returns, and more importantly, how you can spot the next big ones. This is a video you can't afford to miss if you're serious about crypto investing. Before we dive into the details, let me remind you that none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now let's get started. Let's start with my first major win in the crypto space, the Sandbox game back in 2021. I made a 10x return on this investment. But what exactly is the Sandbox game? Essentially, it's a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences using blockchain technology and NFTs. The Sandbox uses its native token SAND, which facilitates transactions within the game. It's also a governance token over the entire metaverse. It also has big investors like Animoca Brands. So how did I spot the Sandbox early? One of the key factors was its tiny market cap, making it a hidden gem. I also noticed the significant adoption and usage it gained in the gaming community. The charts looked unappealing to most. Ugly even. That's exactly what you want to see. Why? Because the rule number one in crypto investing is don't chase pumping charts. By getting in early, I avoided the FOMO, the fear of missing out, and bought in at a lower price. But what's the secret sauce? It's all about recognizing potential before it becomes obvious to the masses. The Sandbox had partnerships with the major players in the gaming industry and a robust development team, making it a strong candidate for growth. Fast forward to 2023, and I struggled again with DOVU. For those who aren't familiar, DOVU is a data economy platform focusing on the tokenization of carbon credits. It aims to create a sustainable future by encouraging data sharing in exchange for the DOVU token. One of the reasons DOVU caught my attention was its partnership with Hedera Hashgraph, a major player in the blockchain space. Hedera's involvement and big investment into DOVU and usage of the DOVU platform provided a strong foundation and significant growth potential for DOVU. The partnership meant that DOVU could leverage Hedera's technology and ecosystem, positioning itself as a leader in sustainable tokenized carbon credit solutions. But what exactly does DOVU do? It provides a marketplace for tokenized carbon credits. So in a nutshell, DOVU allows users, which are purchasers of carbon credits, big companies that need to offset their carbon footprint. It connects those users with farmers that provide the ecological reserves that power the carbon credit. It's all on blockchain, and yes, Hedera Hashgraph is investing in it and it's being used. Why did I invest in DOVU? Small market cap, significant partnerships, adoption, revolutionary technology, and a promising use case. The charts were far from glamorous, which meant I wasn't chasing a hype-driven pump. Instead, I was investing early at a low cost and investing in the potential. Next on my list of 10x returns is QuickIntel. QuickIntel is a blockchain security company that provides smart contract audits to ensure the safety and reliability of decentralized applications as well as tokens. And it prevents scams, and it's doing it at scale. But how did I come across QuickIntel and why did it stand out? Well, QuickIntel's technology is being used by DEX Tools, which is one of the biggest crypto websites for trading and analysis. DEX Tools relies on QuickIntel to catch and prevent hundreds of thousands of scams, making it an essential tool for anyone in the crypto space. And yes, not just DEX Tools, many big blockchains are using QuickIntel. So what made me invest in QuickIntel? Again, the fundamentals were solid. Small market cap, widespread adoption, critical service in the crypto ecosystem, revolutionary technology. The charts were not showing explosive growth at the time, which meant it was an opportune moment to invest without getting caught in, again, that pump and dump cycle. We don't want to chase pumping charts ever. Now that you know about my successful trades, let's talk about how you can spot the next big cryptos. Here's a breakdown of my methodology. Look for the small market caps. I focus on projects with market caps at or below $10 million. These projects have a higher potential for that explosive growth compared to the more established ones. Why is that? Because the lower the market cap, the less money is required to pump the price, whereas the bigger market cap assets require a huge amount of capital. It's a lot harder to get that huge amount of capital. It's a lot easier to get that small amount of capital, especially in these tiny market cap assets. Number 2, check for major adoption and usage. A project must have real-world usage and partnerships with major players. This indicates that it's not just a speculative asset, it has tangible value, it's being used. Crypto is all about network effects. The more people using it, the more valuable, period. Number 3, avoid pumping charts. If a chart looks too good to be true, it probably is. I avoid chasing pumps and instead look for projects that are under the radar, unappealing charts, ugly charts. This often means they're undervalued and have room to grow, unlike the ones that are already pumping. Evaluate the team and partnerships. A strong development team and strategic partnerships are crucial. They provide the foundation for long-term success and growth. Analyze the use case. The project must solve a real problem or offer a unique solution. This is what drives adoption and long-term value. It has to be revolutionary breakthrough technology with a strong use case. So let's take a closer look at why partnerships matter, using DOVU and Hedera Hashgraph as an example. Hedera Hashgraph is known for its high-speed transactions, low fees, and enterprise-grade security. When a project like DOVU, tiny market cap, partners with Hedera, it gains access to these technological advantages and massive network, making it more appealing to users and investors alike. Hedera's ecosystem also includes other high-profile projects and companies, which can provide additional opportunities for collaboration and growth. So by leveraging Hedera's technology and network, DOVU can offer more efficient and secure services to a wider audience, and this enhances its value proposition. So what makes Hedera so special is that unlike traditional blockchains, Hedera uses a consensus algorithm called a hash graph, which is designed to be faster and more secure. This technology allows for high throughput and low latency, making it ideal for applications that require real-time data processing. For DOVU, this means it can handle a large volume of transactions quickly and efficiently, which is crucial for its data sharing platform. We saw adoption and usage of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous bull run in 2023, and that trickled into projects like DOVU. Security is a major concern in the crypto world. That's why quick intel comes in. As more projects and users enter the crypto space, the need for secure smart contracts and applications becomes paramount. Quick intel provides the necessary audits and security measures to ensure that dApps are safe from vulnerability. So again, super useful. So using this methodology, you can start spotting those potential 10x cryptos. Keep an eye on upcoming projects, stay informed about industry trends, and always do your own research. The crypto space is constantly evolving and opportunities are everywhere if you know where to look. So what's next? If you want to know what I'm buying now, my full portfolio and current trades are available to view on my Patreon. By joining, you'll get access to real-time updates on my investments and insights into why I'm buying specific cryptos. And having a solid strategy can make all the difference. But what if I told you there's a new crypto on my radar that has the potential to be the next big thing? Smash that like button on this video, leave me a comment with your crypto questions and topic requests, and subscribe to my channel because in the upcoming video, I plan to reveal the details of exactly which promising crypto projects you've probably never heard of, but could offer massive returns. Spoiler alert, there are meme coins out there that can make you 7 or even 8 figures, and they're yours to jump on or miss out. And before you jump on the 8-figure meme coin train, be sure to click right here to see exactly how to do your own crypto research properly so that you can find out about those 10xers even before I hop on here to tell you about it.